song, so we'll keep singing it. This actually happened, it actually happened, it actually really, really happened. Let's go, our both on the ground now, our both on the ground now. What happened next? What's another thing that happened?
I really like that song of the crickets are ugly and big.
Crickets are ugly and big, they don't mean no harm.
The old lady swallowed the fly.
The old lady, she swallowed a fly.
I don't know why she swallowed the fly.
We don't know why she swallowed that fly. That's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
The old lady, she swallowed a fly.
I don't know why she swallowed the fly. The fly went down her throat and then started to cough.
This sounds like a sad story. The fly went down her throat. What happened next?
And it started to cough.
And it started to cough.
And then it started eating all the food in her tummy.
And then it started eating all the food in the tummy.
Okay, I have a good one. And she ate a cow and it pooped in her pants.
She ate a cow and it pooped in her pants. It was a cow, oh moo moo moo, it was a cow, oh moo moo.
Is that Bruce Springsteen writes all the songs, by the way?